your home. Let's go to the first experiment. For the first experiment, we need an egg, a transparent glass and some vinegar. First of all, keep the egg slowly into the glass and pour some vinegar. You should keep it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, we can see it. I kept it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, when I saw it was not soft. So I kept it for 8 more hours. Totally, it's 20 hours. Now I'm going to take it out slowly. See how soft it is? The hard shell have turned into soft glass. It's like a boiled egg, but the inside is normal liquid form. I'll show you. See? It's normal liquid form. Let's go to the second experiment. For the second experiment, we need a bottle of water, a glass and a cardboard piece. Okay, now pour some water into the glass. Fill the water and keep the cardboard slowly. And now lift the glass. Now slowly take your hand. See? Water is not leaking and even the cardboard is not going off. Let's go to the next experiment. For the next experiment, we need some water, a straw, some sugar and dishwash liquid. Now, take a teaspoon of sugar and put it into the water. And take the teaspoon and put some washing dish. Now mix it. Now we have made solution. Now take it in the spoon and put it down on the table. After some spoon, spread it. And in the straw, and spread it in the straw. I'm going to pour the solution into this plate slowly and see what's I'll show you something different. Okay. See? Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe, share